Hello, hi, welcome to our channel Prata Kids. In the previous video we discussed about fractions. In these fractions we discussed proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed fractions. Today we are going to discuss about simplest form of fractions and like and unlike fractions. Today we complete our chapter fractions, Okay. What is fraction? 7 by 5. Fractions can be written as like this. 2 by 3 or 1 by 2 like this. Okay? Okay? If you want to say in this whole part my share is this one. In the whole this part my share is this one. To say about this share and this part we can written as fractions. We can be written by fraction. These all are 4 parts. My part is 1. 1 by 4th is my part. So we can written fractions in this manner. Okay. If you got marks 20 out of 25, how can you written 20 out of 25? Here also we can write in fractions also. Okay, you got 80 out of 100 marks. How can we written? You can written as like this. So we use fractions in this particular method. Okay. How can you written in simplest form? That means suppose 16 by 8 is a fraction. For this, how can you, if you divide both by 2. So 16 divided by 2, that means 8. 8 2s are 16 and 2 4s are 8. This is the simplest form of 16 by 8. It can be written as another simplest form. इसको फिर भी simplest कर सकते हैं. Okay, divide by 2. Okay, that means 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, 16 by 8 simplest form is 4 by 2. Okay, इसका और भी simplest form करने का chance है. So 2 by 1. Okay, simplest form of 16 by 8 or fraction is 2 by 1. This is the simplest form. Okay, if you take another example, 16 by 36. How can you write 16 by 36 fraction into simplest form? Okay, you divide both numerator and denominator by same number. That means if you divide 4 numerator and denominator by 4, then what will you get? 4 4s are 16, 4 9s are 36. This is our simplest form of 16 by 36. Simplest form is 4 by 9. This is our simplest form or lowest form of a fraction. This is our simplest form or lowest form of a fraction. Okay, we can write 5 by 10, 3 by 9, all these into simplest form. 5 by 10 means 1 by 2. 3 by 9 means 1 by 3. You can divide both by 3. You can divide here both by 5. That means 1 by 2. That means 1 by 3. Okay. This is our simplest form of fraction. Next our topic is like fractions and unlike fractions. Okay. Next our topic is like fractions and unlike fractions. What is like fractions? In our fractions, if our denominator is same, then we can say that these fractions are like fractions. That means 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3, 7 by 3, 11 by 3. These are all like fraction. That means denominator is same, 3 3 3 3 3. These fractions are called like fractions. If denominator is same in all, then the fractions are like fractions. As we see these can be compared easily. Fractions where the denominators are not same. If the fractions denominators are not, that means 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 5 by 7, 8 by 11, 9 by 15. Is the denominators are same? No. These type of fractions are unlike fractions. These type of fractions are unlike fractions. If numerators are same or not, we don't need, we need only denominators. We have to compare only denominators. First we have to see only denominators. If denominators are same, then these fractions are like fractions. If denominators are not same, these fractions are unlike fractions. These are like fractions and unlike fractions. In like fractions, denominators are same. Denominators are same. Unlike fractions, in unlike fraction, denominators are not same. In unlike fractions, denominators are not same. These are like fractions and unlike fractions. Okay. Now next our topic is ascending and descending order of fractions. Ascending and descending order of fractions. How can you know which fraction is greater and which fraction is smaller? Ascending and descending order of fractions. Okay. Let me take some examples. We take here 7 by 10, 9 by 10. Which fraction is greater? Which fraction is greater? These are like fractions. Denominators are same. These are like fractions. That means simply say this one is bigger than this one. This one is bigger than this fraction. Like that 5 by 10 and 3 by 10. These both are also like fractions. That means 5 by 10 is greater than, bigger than 3 by 10. 5 by 10 is greater than 3 by 10. Okay. Okay, for example, 1 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7 and 5 by 7. Please write these like fractions into ascending order. Ascending means small to big. So how can you write? This is small one and next this is, these are like functions. So simply write like this. That means we have to see only numerators. We have to see only numerators. Okay, we have to see only numerators. This is the ascending order of function and this is descending order. Okay, ascending order and descending order of like fractions. Comparing unlike fractions, how can you say ascending or descending, which one is bigger and which one is smaller? Suppose take 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. Say which one is bigger fraction, which one is smaller. How can you say? These denominators are not equal. These are unlike fractions. How can you say? Okay, for this we have to convert unlike functions into like functions. Okay, for this divide. Okay, we have to same the two denominators. For this we can do here multiply by both by 5. That means 10 by 15 here. Next take another fraction 3 by 5. So denominator have to change into 15. So we have to multiply this into 3 only. 3 into 3 by 3. 3 3 is the 9 and 15. Now these two unlike fractions can be changed into like fractions. Now our comparison will be very easy. Now tell me which fraction is bigger. 10 by 15 is bigger fraction. 10 by 15 is greater than 9 by 15. Okay. If given unlike fractions, so how can you say which fraction is bigger? First you take unlike fractions and convert into like fractions. That means we have to change two denominators into same number. Okay, we have to change the denominators into same number. Then we can compare two fractions easily. Okay, these are the ascending and descending order of function. These are the ascending and descending order of fractions. Okay, please note some examples and do as our homework. 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 17 by 3, 9 by 3. Please convert into ascending and descending order of both. 1 by 9, 13 by 9, 11 by 9, 5 by 9. These both are like fractions, so it's very easy to convert ascending and descending. Okay. How can you change? We can change unlike into like, then we can write ascending and descending. It's very easy. Okay. Now addition and subtraction of fractions. How can you add and subtract our fractions? Addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay. For example, if you take 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. These are like fractions. That means denominator will be same. So it's very easy. We have to take denominator is same. So put here 4. And here are two numerators. 1 plus 1, 2. It's very easy. 2 by 4. That means simplest form of 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Okay. We can add like this. Like fractions we can add like this. Another example I say 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Denominators are same. So simply write denominator here 2. And add our numerators. 1 plus 1 is 2. So answer is 1. Can add like fractions like this. If you take any unlike fractions, for example, add two unlike fractions like 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. How can you add these unlike fractions? First of all, we have to take one fraction. Okay. And equal, we have to take one fraction and convert two fractions into like fractions. Then we can easily add our fractions. Okay, 1 by 2. How? So 2 into 3, 3 into 2, 6, 6. So we have to multiply this into 3. 1 into 3 by 2 into 3. How? What do we get? 3 by 6. What do we get? 3 by 6 here. And next another fraction. What is our another fraction? 1 by 3. Okay, multiply into both numerator and denominator by same number only. So into 2. What do we get here? 2 by 6. Now these two fractions are like fractions. Then 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6. That means denominator will be 6 only. 3 plus 2, 5. Our answer is 5 by 6. What is our answer? Our answer is 5 by 6. We can add unlike fractions like this. First of all, we have to change unlike fractions into like fractions. Then we can add easily. Okay, next. Addition of mixed fractions. Okay, addition of mixed fractions. Okay, how can we add mixed fractions? Mixed fractions means one full part and one half part. That means 2 1 by 3, 2 by 3 like this. Whole part and half part like this. 2 1 by 3 and 1 2 by 3. These two are mixed fractions. Now we can add these two mixed fractions. How can you add? 2 1 by 3 plus 1 2 by 3. Okay. Simply we can add both full whole parts. 2 plus 1 plus, now take another fractions 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. First we add two whole number parts and next we add fraction parts separately. Then we add the 2 plus 1 3 and now 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is, these are like fractions. 3 1 plus 2 means 3 by 3. That means 3 plus 1, that means 4. Our answer is 4. We can add mixed fractions like this. First of all, we have to take whole number parts. That means 2 plus 1, these are whole number parts. So we have to take first whole number parts and next we have to take fractional parts separately. That means like this, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Next we can add two whole number parts, 2 plus 1 is 3 and next we do add like fractions into like this. Our answer is 2 plus 3 means 3 plus 1 means 4. Okay, is it right? Okay. Now we can do subtraction of fractions. How can you do subtraction of fractions? How can you do subtraction? For example, if you take two like fractions, any two like fractions, that means 4 by 7 comma 3 by 7. That means 4 by 7 comma 3 by 7. 4 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Two denominators are same. So denominator will be 7 only. That means after that 4 minus 3. After that two denominators are same. So it's getting no problem. 4 minus 3. Okay, 4 minus 3 means 1. 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is our answer. 1 by 7 is our answer. Next, these are all like fractions. If you take any unlike fraction, that means 3 by 10 comma 2 by 9. That means if we subtract two unlike fraction, how can you do? Okay, 3 by 10 minus 2 by 9. So how can you do? Okay, we have to take two LCMs like this. So first of all, we have to convert. If you take 10, 9 into LCM, that is very greater process. Okay, so that you have to convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Another method is also we can do by LCM part. So 10, 9 we have to take LCM here and we have to multiply two numbers, then we get answer. So this is a greater process. This is a very long process. So for that we can take this unlike fraction, convert into these two unlike fractions into like fraction, then we will subtract. It's very easy process for you. So 3 by 10. So how can you, so for what number we can multiply? So we have to show here two denominators are same. Here 10, here 9. How can you two numbers will be same? So we have to multiply here 5. Here 5. Suppose we have to multiply here 5 and that means 50 here 45. Is there two denominators are same? No. So we can multiply, take some numbers and multiply. If denominator will be same, then we can multiply that number only. So here 9, that means 10 9s are 90 and 9 10s are 90. Two denominators are same. So we have to take here 9 only. We have to multiply with 9 number only. So हमें टू डिनोमिनेटर सेम दिखाना है. सो इसलिए हमें एक नंबर लेके मल्टीप्लाई कर, टू नंबर्स अगर सेम आए तो वही नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, न्यूमिनेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. सो टू नंबर्स multiply 2 with two numbers with the same number only. So now we can write 3 into 9 by 10 into 9. 3 nines are 27, 10 nines are 90. Okay. Now convert 2 by 9 into like fraction. That means 10 into 10. That means 20 by 90. Okay, now we can subtract 27 by 90 minus 20 by 90. Okay, now we can subtract 27 by 90 minus, what will you get here? 90. Okay, what will you get here? 90. That means after that 27 minus 20, here 7 by 90. Our answer is 7 by 90. We can subtract unlike fractions like that. First we have to convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Then we can do easily addition or subtraction, anything. Okay. This is our complete chapter of fractions. Tomorrow we will discuss on decimals deeply. So please do practice and keep writing homework, and please send me your homework as a comment. Thank you. Please share my video for all your friends if possible. Thank you.